Good evening, Sir Leo Arcayos. I am Ishalmar Andrade from G2E-1. This topic is all about stability diagram, trim tables, and stress tables. First, stability diagrams visually depict a ship's ability to return to an upright position after being heeled over. The buoyancy illustrates the relationship between the ship's center of gravity, center of buoyancy, and metacenter, particularly the metacenter height and the righting arm. GM indicates initial stability while GC show the restoring force at larger angles of heel. Angle of heel. Imagine a ship at rest. G and B are aligned. As the ship heels over, B shifts to the new position and a new metacenter is formed. The difference between G and M determines the ship stability. If G is positive, the ship will tend to return to its upright position. If GZ is positive, the ship is the ship will be the ship will continue to heel over as there is no force to right it. What is trim? Trim refers to the difference in draft. The deep a ship is submerged in water between the bow and stern of a ship. A ship trim can be influenced by the distribution of weight within the ship, such as cargo, ballast, fuel, and the crew. Stress table in ship design provide crucial data on the structural stresses a ship experiences under various loading conditions, ensuring the ship hull can withstand the forces it encounters. This table will this table this table helps engineers understand how the ship structure responds to different loads including global stresses and local stresses. This information is essential for designing a ship that is both strong and efficient, preventing excessive stresses that could compromise its integrity. Type of stresses. Global stresses. This affect the entire ship, include hugging. Occurs when the ship occurs when the center of the ship is supported by a whip, causing the ship to bend upward. Sagging. Sagging occurs when the end of the ship are supported by a whip, causing the ship to bend downward. Local stresses. This affect specific areas of the ship and include venting, rocking motion at the ends of the ship, particularly at the bow, caused by wave pressure. Rocking, the distortion caused by the ship rolling from side to side. Torsion, twisting force on the ship structure. Example of a stress table. A stress table might list different loading conditions, e.g., full of cargo, ballast only, or empty. The type of stress, e.g., hugging or sagging, and the resulting stresses in specific areas of the ship, e.g., string deck or hull bottom. These tools are used to determine the vessel stability characteristic under different loading conditions and to ensure safe operation. And that's all. Thank you.